Hi, welcome to Tech Helpline channel, and this is a tutorial where I'm gonna show you how to get two different pictures on BeReal. If you want to take two different pictures on your BeReal app, and the application camera mode snaps a photo from the rear camera and then quickly takes one from your front camera. So you can take easily two pictures at once on BeReal from your front camera and your rear camera. So simply tap upon your BeReal application. In order to learn how, make sure that you're logged into your account. You must already know that you can post one BeReal a day on your BeReal account. Now from the main homepage of BeReal, simply tap on Take Your BeReal in order to take your first BeReal for the day. Immediately after you do that, you'll be able to see that your camera is appearing on the display. On the bottom right hand corner, you should see a flip icon. If you tap on that, you will be able to switch between your front camera and back camera. Select anyone and then simply take a photo by tapping on the shutter icon at the bottom, and you will be able to see that you have taken two pictures at once from front and from your back camera. The picture will be movable at the top. Simply go ahead and place it on the desired position. That is how you can easily take two different pictures on BeReal. Hope this video helped you. If it did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.